All right, so now that you are a Sanctuary Girl ambassador, here is how you want to start. I highly encourage you always have a social open. So we're going to log in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, ambassador login. I have mine saved, so I just click on there. Once you're there on the left hand side, there's a toolbar. You want to click on socials. And then it'll have social manager. You want to select social manager. And as you can see, I already have some already set up. I keep a social set up every month that says don't have a social, place your order here, so that people are always placing their orders there, and I can keep the hostess rewards for myself, or you can give those rewards away for booking bonuses, referral bonuses, things of that such. So to create a new social, you'll go up to here where it has the plus sign and it says new social. You select that button and then you'll just select I'm hosting or your customer's name. The one thing about Sanctuary Girl, if it's an existing customer, like say hypothetically my customer, once you start entering your clients in the system, they will be assigned a number so that you don't have to always re-enter their name. And then you can give your social a fun theme name, such as Denim and Diamonds for your launch. And you'll put the date on there for your social and just follow the screens. And then this way you can, when people are sharing with you that they can't make it to the social, you can send them the social link so that they can still support your launch party. Fill out all the information and then you'll just hit save. I'm just going to do this mock version one for tickles and giggles. And then there's going to be a shopping link that you can use. You can add a party description on there. Thank you for supporting my launch party. Share your heart, your mission of faith and fashion. So I'm just keeping it short just for the sake of the video. And then once you have that, you could upload an image if you want it, and then use this address for social address. That's where the social will take place. Then we hit save social. Display event on customer website. You can display your event address and phone number. I typically don't display my address on the website just because I have that big old trailer. I don't want everybody to know where I live. And then once you save your social, you'll see that you have your event link that you can copy the link. I copy it and text it to myself. So again, that if someone is unable to make it to your social, you can say, oh my gosh, we're going to miss you. Please feel free to browse the catalog. Hope that we can help take the stress out of your shopping season. So you can do that. So this is how you create your social, and then you'll just add those orders in. Once you add an order in and you hit submit, they're all direct ship. So you don't have to worry about having any orders come to you or any delays with people receiving their merchandise. So just place the order under add order, and then it'll be shipped directly to them. And then when you're finally at the point of at least 200 or more, then you'll want to close your social out or keep adding to that social so that way you can get more free merchandise. So this is how to create your very first Sanctuary Girl social for your launch. Again, I highly encourage every month to keep a social open that says don't have a social. Order here, because you'll get people that'll come back to your website. So keep a social always open so that they can order from you and you can receive your hostess perks. All right. So I hope this answers your questions. If you think of anything, I'm just a text or message away. Make it a great day.